Track number 80 will serve as Nozomi 373 bound for Shin Osaka via Kyoto. Passengers cannot board this train until we complete maintenance.
新幹線をご利用いただきましてありがとうございます。このホームのエレベーターは7号車乗車口の近く、エスカレーターは6号車と10号車の乗車口の近くです。新幹線をご利用いただきまして、エレベーターは7号車乗車口の近く、エスカレーターと10号車の乗車口の近くです。新幹線から降りるお客様が終わりましたドアから整備係が列車内の整備作業を開始いたします。座乗時間は約7分から10分です。座席を変えていきます。間違えて座乗中の新幹線に乗車をすると危ない。
Welcome to Shinkansen train, the bullet train. I'm on my way to Osaka. Time destination 2 hours 20 minutes. One of the best engineering, Japanese engineering in this train. It's amazing.
Please use the luggage racks or the luggage area next to the wash basins on the deck. The luggage area next to the wash basins on the deck is available for anyone to use.
Here's the bathrooms.
The train sways from side to side while in motion.
And with your bags here as well.
Causing suitcases
This
to
one I
roll
think is
and
charged.
potentially
I've got
injure
only
or
one pack
cause
back.
trouble for other passengers.
And wash your
Please keep your
hand wash.
suitcases on their sides or otherwise
There's
secure
my
them
toilet.
so they do not move. Also, please do not place suitcases or strollers on the deck other than the luggage
Here's the
area
female.
next to the wash basin, as this will obstruct boarding
It's
or
both
lighting.
and attention for
Please inform a crew member before placing your luggage. Please refrain from making phone calls inside
14.
the train. Please make phone calls on the deck. Request the passenger first class and have a large number of reservations for today's train. Passengers are scheduled to board the seats that are currently empty. Please sit in the seat number indicated
my
on your
seat.
ticket. Please refrain from moving to empty seats or placing your luggage there.
Welcome to the Shinkansen. This is the Nozomi Super Express bound to Shin Osaka. We will be stopping at Shinagawa, Shin Yokohama, Nagoya, and Kyoto stations before arriving at Shin Osaka Terminal. The conductor's room is in car number 8. Thank you.
Shinagawa station.
station. The doors on the right hand
will open. Please watch your step when you get off the train. この電車はのぞみ373号新大阪行きです。ジャパンレールパスをご利用でのぞみみずほ利用券をお持ちでないお客様はご乗車いただけません。ご注意ください。
I want to come back to Tokyo,
This train
visit
is
Yokohama.
Nozomi 373 bound towards
It's
Osaka.
like 1 hour less than
Japan Rail Pass who do not have Nozomi Mizo tickets cannot board this train. Thank you.
There's a big hotel on it. Fuji in it. It's clear, it's got to be good. Mount Fuji. That's it, that's the Fuji.
So please be ready to get off before the train stops. The stop after Nagoya will be Kyoto. Thank you.
まもなく名古屋です。17番線に到着。お出口は右側です。名古屋を出ますと次は京都に停まります。お忘れ物はございませんでしょうか。今一度荷棚の上、座席周り、身の回りを確かめください。またご利用になられました座席のリクライニングは元の位置にお戻しいただきますようご協力をお願いいたします。次の名古屋駅、電車とホームの間が空いているところがございます。お降りの時はお足元にご注意ください。ご乗車ありがとうございました。まもなく名古屋です。お出口は右側です。We will soon make a brief stop at Nagoya Station. The doors on the right side will open. Please watch your step when you get off the train.
Welcome to Nagoya. Nagoya City. Nagoya Station. Next is Kyoto.
直接乗務員にお知らせいただくか、客室の通話装置または非常停止ボタンでお知らせください。5線線、7線と近鉄線、地下鉄線はお乗り換えです。今日くださいましてありがとうございました。京都を出ますと次は終点新大阪です。
Welcome to Kyoto. Kyoto Station.
Soon make a bridge to approach Kyoto Station. The doors on the left side will open. Please watch us when we leave the train.
This is the Kyoto Station. The train is going back to Tokyo.
This is Kyoto Station.
Hi guys, we arrived in Osaka. 2 hours 20 minutes. I'm gonna go my hotel. I'm gonna share with you the video, and then I'm gonna go back to Tokyo on 20th, it's Saturday. Well, I'm gonna stay here 3 nights. I will share with you the hotel I'm staying, is 4-star hotel, and the breakfast buffet. Please don't forget to support my channel and press the like button. Thank you so much. Have a beautiful day. Welcome to Osaka, to the third big city in Japan. Osaka. Welcome to Osaka. Central exit. When I googled it last time, it took like about 18 minutes to walk from my hotel, but I need to double check again. If not, then I'll take Uber. It might be local taxi. It's 10 to 2. Like I said,